Hello Tribe Farm, welcome to another video. So I'm done getting ready. Actually, I'm taking off from my work and my makeup classes. I'm having my tote bag here. So I thrifted this at Kongoya, having my niqab because of the sun. I'm having my cute abaya on, as you can see. So inside I'm having a pair of jeans and comfortable t-shirt on. I really didn't want to wear something heavy because of the sun. Then my cute hijab, and let's go. So my first stop, it's Nawal Centre. I really need to get some things there. Like I'm looking for kitchen, toilet, and some of the fridge organizer. So yeah, here things are not expensive, they're not cheap either. They're just fair, and most of the things are affordable actually. And Nawal Centre is one of my favorite place to shop. My next stop it's at a fridge section. So buying a fridge was one of my fab goal, of which I did not accomplish. So time was not on my side, and for this year I really needed to buy a fridge, and I really needed to get one because I've realized that I've keep on like carrying forward this fridge thing to the next year, but this year decided it's not going to end before I get myself one. So buying a fridge or buying something, I also have my budget on buying things. So when it comes to fridge, I really budgeted myself from 40 to 50, and I really don't want to go beyond my budget. No, I don't want to go down my budget. And yeah, I'm really having time like choosing and for going for something that I won't regret. So I'm going to show you what I bought today. So I'm having the first package. This is from Nawal Centre. The first thing I got the glass item. It's for measuring. This is how it looks like, and it's this is how it looks like. And I bought a smaller one because I didn't want a bigger one. So this is how it looks like. So I really needed this because like when I wanted to measure something or when I wanted to melt something in it, I can use both of that. So this is the first item. And the second item I got is Dr. Rashid package. So yeah, so I really want to try this because I've been going natural and I want to try something new. So yeah, so I bought a vitamin C cleanser. It contains hydrochloric acid, freshening, lather lifts away dulling, impurity, and fresh water in the skin. So bought a cleanser. And the next I bought is vitamin C face serum for anti-aging, loosening, foaming, repairing, protecting foot skin elasticity. So serum. And I got a vitamin C cream. I really want to use this because I feel like it's good. So I really want to try this package. So I bought this package. So hopefully it will help, Okay, the next thing is this second package. So I got this towel for drying my hair because I don't want to mix my body towel. And so this is what it looks like. It's very cute. So cute, I love it. So the next thing I got cosmetic organizer to save space. So I really needed this, but I found it on Snap. It's very expensive, and I bought this at 360. So this is how it looks like. I really love it. It has the small one and the pieces for the bigger part. I'll show you when I put my cotton pad and the earbuds in this part. It looks so lovely. I love it. And the next thing I restocked on my shampoo. So yeah, I bought a shampoo every time. Latika shampoo. I have the and again I bought aloe vera from Nature's Skin Natural 3-in-1 Moisturizer Delight and Day and Night Cream. That's the moisturizer. So yeah, so that was the first package, what I got for my skincare and some of the utensils. Secondly, I have this is the whole of fridge, but some of the items I've already bought earlier. So I'm going to start with this. So I had this. It's a fridge organizer. It's adjustable, and ice cube container which has a lid. I can remember I bought this at Kampunji. I can't remember how much, but I had this. Though the fridge itself comes with the cube thingy. So these two I bought it at Kitambo. And I also got these two storage container, clear container. I need to wash them because they've been up there. So even this, I bought this earlier. So I had this at home. And another thing is this big storage container which has a lid. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. I love the capacity. It's very big and affordable also. And also got this Furia holder. It really comes in handy. This is looks like it's silicone by the way, and that's what it's doing. Then I got myself the container, two storage containers. So I was thinking of putting my leftovers here, so they won't go bad, and I can have them like the next day. I love the capacity. I do want the bigger ones. Only went for this one because I really want to maximize the space. So there you go. Then I got a fridge guard. This is super protector PowerPoint, and it is 6 years warranty. Yeah, 6 years warranty. I was told this is to go for. It's very good. So yeah. Then I got a free bottle. And here we have a multifunctional adjustable rack. So yeah, you can use it on many ways. You can use it on fridge, washing machine, wherever you want to. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It was very affordable. Yeah, so let me show you this side. I need to assemble this, so this is what it looks like. So we need to assemble these. So I was told I need to open this point here, then open this another one, then like put. So this one goes in here like that, and I can lock it the way I like it. So I'm going to assemble this off camera, of course, and I'll show you how it looks like at the end. Finally guys, my baby is at home at last. Alhamdulillah, I'm so grateful to Allah, and I don't take it for granted. I'm so happy for this progress I'm doing, and yeah, more on the way inshallah. So guys, I did my research because there's some qualities I really needed for me to get a refrigerator, and two, I had a budget. So for the brand I went for Mika, as you can see, and secondly because it was there in between my budget, so it was something to go for because I did not want to put too much on my shoulder going beyond my budget. Yeah, so I was told that I have to leave it for 24 hours so that I can clean it and start using it. I think that probably going to do that tomorrow, guys. So I think I'm just going to leave it like this till tomorrow, so and then I'm going to open it. Yeah, so and I did assemble this stand. This is it looks like. Actually, it's very easy to assemble and it does really come in handy, guys. I'm so grateful that I got one. This is some hours later, guys. I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day because I'm taking off from the work at home and another work. So I'm just going to relax and I'm going to continue with my episode in Next in Fashion. It's an awesome show. You should watch it on Netflix. So guys, thank you so much for being here, for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and join the tribe family. Don't forget to turn on your bell to be notified whenever we're going to have a new upload. See me when I see you to my next video. Bye.